Welcome to Network Marketing Pro. My name is Eric Worre, and how would you like to recruit 20 people in 30 days? Is that even possible? What does that even mean? I've been around the network marketing profession for a long time, and if I look back and deconstruct the success that I've had personally as a distributor, I'm now retired as a distributor, but over the 30 years or so I've been involved in this profession, there were several times during my career when I went on a recruiting binge, when I brought in 20 people in 30 days. And if I went back and reconstructed the financial returns of all of my efforts over all the years, guess where they all came from, or most of them came from, the majority by far, came from 5 or 6 times during a 20, 30-year career when I recruited 20 people in 30 days. And I started to measure and track other very successful people in network marketing. My friends, the $1 million earners, these people who really cracked the code for network marketing success. And to a person, if they went back and tracked where the majority of their success came from, it came from a burst of energy where they took all of their efforts and time and energy and passion, and they condensed it down into a very short period of time. They got a lot done in a short period of time. Some people say slow and steady wins the race. In my opinion, in network marketing, slow and steady will starve you to death. You need to be the rabbit for a period of time, and then the turtle, consistent, training, support, all that stuff. So what I would like to tell you before I tell you how you can recruit 20 people in 30 days, I want to tell you why to do it. If you're going to start this year strong, my biggest advice for you for this year, for this next 12 months, is to bring in the class of 2017. You have your existing team, that's all fine. But bring in a new, fresh team. You want to motivate your existing team? Bring in a fresh group in 2017. And that fresh group is going to do more to inspire. Your actions with bringing those people in and getting them off to a fast start is going to do more to inspire your existing team than any amount of talk that you can do. Bring in the class of 2017 and do it in a bunch. I would much rather, I will tell you there's a huge difference in results. If you bring in 20 people in 20 months, let's say 20 people in 30 months. If you bring in that same 20 people in 30 weeks instead of 30 months, you're going to get a different result. You're going to get more energy, more passion, more rank advancement, more volume, more duplication if you bring them in 30 weeks. But if you take those same 20 people and you bring them in 30 days, you multiply their chances of success by a factor of 10. There's so much energy and urgency and camaraderie and competition and learning together that you create when you do it in a burst of energy. So I hope that I've planted a seed in your mind that maybe it's a good idea for you to go and do this. You might not have recruited 20 people ever in your career. And you can, I promise you, if you'll engage in the activities. It's just math. It's just math. If you break it down to recruit 20 people, you have to just look at how many people you have to do a presentation to in order to be able to do it. I'm just saying condense that down. So if you want to recruit 20 people in 30 days, for the people in the Network Marketing Pro community, I want to see you do it. And we put together a program, a home study course to walk you through how to recruit 20 people in 30 days. It's 5 video modules, condensed step by step by step by step by step, and a workbook. We offer this to the world for $297, and there are countless people that have used it to create network marketing success. The testimonials, the results out of this program blow away the results of any program we've ever done. People use it to go get their 20 in 30. I want you to get your 20 in 30. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make this program available to the Network Marketing Pro community. You're hearing about it because you're part of that community. For $197 for 3 days, 72 hours. And when that 72 hours is gone, then it goes back to the $297 and people can get the access to it throughout the year at that $300 price. Still an incredible bargain to be able to do that. but just $197 for 72 hours. Here's my suggestion to you. You get your hands on this program and put it to work. Bring in the class of 2017. Second, get your team to do the same thing. Imagine if you and everybody in your group do it at the same time. The energy that you can create is phenomenal. You could pick whatever 30 days you want to do it. You might want to study for a few weeks and then do it. Maybe you got a convention coming up. It's going to really help. Maybe you want to bring in the class of 2017 early versus at the end of the year. You're going to have a better result at the end of the year if you'll get it going at the beginning of the year. So go to networkmarketingpro.com/special and you'll be able to access it. You'll see the link somewhere on this page or above or below this video. Get your hands on how to recruit 20 people in 30 days. You deserve it. The class of 2017 is waiting for you to come with the skills necessary to show them that we have a better way and then to help them get started. And I'm going to be there with you every step of the way to make it happen. So click on the link, get your hands on that program, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, my name is Eric Worre, and if you're involved in the network marketing profession, I want to invite you to come to the Network Marketing Pro YouTube channel. Every week, we put out content on how you can become a network marketing professional. We have tips, ideas, strategies, interviews with million-dollar earners in the profession, interviews with global icons like Tony Robbins or Sir Richard Branson, lots of different things that we provide. They're absolutely free. Do yourself a favor, click on the link, subscribe to the YouTube channel, tell your friends to do the same, and I can't wait to see you there.